Introduction. Hi there, and welcome to our video on top 5 side hustles to earn money fast. In today's economy, it's not uncommon for people to need extra income to cover expenses or pay off debt. If you're one of them, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring 5 legitimate side hustles that can help you earn money quickly with no prior experience required. So, let's get started. What is a side hustle? What is a side hustle? A side hustle is a part-time business or income-generating activity that you do in addition to your main job. It's a way to earn extra money, usually outside of your regular work hours. Think of it like a part-time job, but with more flexibility and potential for higher earnings. Online surveys. First up, online surveys. Yes, you read that right. Getting paid for sharing your opinions. Websites like Swagbox and Survey Junkie allow you to sign up and complete surveys in your spare time. You can earn around $5, $10 per survey, and some websites even offer bonus rewards for referring friends. Selling unwanted items. Next, let's talk about selling unwanted items. Declutter your home and make some cash by selling items you no longer need or use. You can use platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace to sell your items quickly and easily. Just remember to take clear photos and set competitive prices. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is another great side hustle. If you enjoy writing, you can offer your services to clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Start by offering basic services like blog writing or social media content creation, and as you build your portfolio, you can move on to more complex projects. Tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, consider offering tutoring services. You can use online platforms like TutorMe or Chegg to connect with students who need help. Set your own rates and schedule, and you can earn around $20, $30 per hour. Selling handmade products. Last but not least, let's talk about selling handmade products. If you're crafty, consider making items like jewelry, candles, or baked goods to sell online or at local markets. You can use platforms like Etsy or Redbubble to sell your products and reach a wider audience. Conclusion. That's it for our top 5 side hustles to earn money fast. Remember, these ideas aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate ways to earn extra income. Take the first step by choosing one idea that interests you and start building your side hustle today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content, and leave a comment below to let us know which side hustle you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.